In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a filter schematic in Fusion 360. This tutorial uses the component library developed in the previous video, Fusion 360 Electronics Project. Please watch that video before continuing with this tutorial. The link is provided in the description. Start by launching Fusion. Then create a new schematic. Set the active library to BME 313. We'll begin by placing the schematic title block, followed by all required components. This design uses two op-amps. The LM358 contains two op-amps, so select that device and ensure the package is the surface mount version. Place both op-amp units on the schematic. Next, add 4 resistors, making sure the package is 0805. Place R1 through R4. Then add 2 capacitors, C1 and C2, also using the 0805 package. After that, insert the connectors. 2 2-pin connectors for signal input and output, and 1 3-pin connector for the power supply. Now assign component values. R1 and R2 are for the high-pass filter, so set both to 332 kiloohms. Right-click the resistor and select value to set the resistance. Set C1 and C2 to 1 microfarad. Right-click the capacitor and select value to set the capacitance. R3 and R4 are for the low-pass filter, so set both to 1.5 kiloohms. Right-click the resistor and select value to set the resistance. Next, bring in the op-amp power pins. Right-click the op-amp, choose Invoke, and select the power pins. After that, rearrange the components for clean routing. Rotate the connectors and capacitors as needed. Right-click J1 and select Rotate. Rotate J1 180 degrees. Rotate J3, C1, and C2 90 degrees. Rearrange the components. Adjust the orientation of the labels so they read horizontally. Right-click the label and select Rotate. Click Other Labels to rotate. Move the labels to ensure they're clearly visible. Begin wiring by selecting Net and connecting all components. Connect pin 1 to C1. Connect C1 to R1. Connect R1 to the inverting input of U1. Connect R1 to R2. Connect R2 to the output of U1. Connect R3 to the output of U1. Connect R3 to the inverting input of U2. Connect C2 to R3. Connect R4 to the inverting input of U2. Connect R4 to the output of U2. Connect C2 to the output of U2. Connect output of U2 to pin 1 of J2. Move labels of the op-amps as needed to keep the schematic readable. Add the power supply symbols, VCC and VDD, for the positive and negative power supplies. Connect them to J3. Connect VDD for pin 4 and VCC for pin 8 of the op-amp. Finally, add the ground symbol and connect them accordingly. Once all connections are complete, make any final adjustments. The schematic is now finished. Save the file and name it Filter. Before printing, center the schematic within the title block. Select all components, move them to the middle, and zoom out to confirm the placement. To print, go to the Document tab, choose Output, Print, select Print to File, PDF, Choose the output location and click OK. In your Downloads folder, you'll find the generated PDF containing the completed schematic. This concludes the demo. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.